The WOLFBOX G840's 12 IPS dash camera, a cutting-edge device designed to enhance your driving experience and provide you with advanced safety features. Experience stunning video quality with the upgraded 4K UHD dash camera. The full rear display is 1.5 times larger than a regular Rearview mirror, significantly reducing blind spots and providing you with a clearer view of the road behind you. The 12 larger screen offers a broad view with a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, ensuring an ultra-wide view and minimizing blind spots for safer driving and reversing. The Smart Screen Split function allows you to observe a dual-lens display simultaneously, giving you comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. Enjoy clear images and enhanced night vision with the WOLFBOX mirror camera. Equipped with a high-quality chip, it records 4K front videos and 1080p rear videos, ensuring detailed and crisp footage. The mirror dash camera features an upgraded low reflectivity LCD, which reduces reflection during the day for improved visibility. Stay on track with GPS tracking at all times. By connecting the external GPS antenna, you can view GPS information on the display while driving. With a GPS player, you can play back recorded videos and check the double-channel videos on one screen. This feature allows for accurate tracing of your driving route. Additionally, the WOLFBOX G840S offers a parking monitor function, ensuring the safety of your vehicle even when it's parked. The dash camera will automatically start recording if any motion or impact is detected, providing you with evidence in case of incidents. With its advanced features, including 4K recording, GPS tracking, enhanced night vision, and a larger screen, the WOLFBOX G840's 12 IPS dash camera is the perfect companion for your car, providing you with peace of mind and a comprehensive view of the road ahead and behind you. Parking Assistant, your reliable companion for safe parking. The G840's dash cam's parking assistant feature becomes your dependable companion during the parking process, providing comprehensive parking assistance. With front and rear cameras, it offers real-time panoramic views, helping you accurately judge vehicle positions and distances and avoiding potential collision risks. Whether parallel parking or reverse parking, this dash cam provides precise parking assistance, making your parking experience safer and smoother. Aside from loop recording for safe driving, your car will still be in safe hands after being parked. The time-lapse mode is there to monitor at very low FPS, which saves power and capacity while having everything recorded.